So it simmers, and then we discuss it on a regular basis. I leave it with them. I also think about it sometimes when I wake up in the morning. It has happened to you, I'm sure, many times.
Sure.
Wake up in the morning and you realize, wait a minute, A connected with D, and if we combine it with X, it will be better. It happens to me all the time. That is why I've become visual. I have a whiteboard. I did it the traditional way. I have a whiteboard where I write everything. And then coffee breaks, etc. I look at it. I look at all my pending ideas and I try to connect them. And I grab some people and I say, come, let's take a look at my whiteboard, especially my assistants or very smart young people. It's like, what do you think? So they question, they challenge me. I like it when my assistant
Mhm.
challenge me. And then they ask me, what do you mean? What's this? What do you expect to accomplish? And so on. And that's how I keep, I'm juggling up. Maybe that's the term. I'm juggling a lot of
Mhm.
ideas.